students, let's see this question. And the question says that 1 AMU is equal to, right? So we know this thing. Firstly, let's talk about the key concept. 1 AMU is 1/12 of mass of C12, जिसको हमने relative लिया था. हमने carbon 12 को हमने main लेके चले थे, and that was equal to 1 AMU. And this AMU is atomic mass unit. So 1 AMU is 1/12 of mass of C12 atom, right? So we have come to know the answer first is correct. But let's talk about these as well. 114 of mass of oxygen 16 atom. No. क्योंकि हमने किसके रिस्पेक्ट में लिया था? It was to the respect of carbon 12 atom. Then 1 gram hydrogen. No, this is also wrong. And this last, let's talk about. We know this thing. 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23 atoms, which is Avogadro's number. These atoms corresponds to 12 gram of carbon. Or the 12 gram mass of one carbon atom. अब इसमें इतने सारे atoms हैं, but if I talk about one atom, अगर इतने atoms का 12 gram mass है, तो एक atom का कितना हो जाएगा? It will be equal to 12 upon 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23, right? Now, this is the mass of one atom. And I know this thing, कि 1 AMU is equal to 1/12 of mass of one atom of carbon 12, right? Now this 1/12 write as it is. And of का मतलब क्या होता है इसमें? Multiplication. और हमने क्या देखा? Mass of 1 atom of carbon 12. और जैसे हमने यहाँ पे निकाला भी है, this is the mass of one atom of carbon 12, which is equal to this value. And so it will be equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. So this is equal to 1 AMU, right? So on calculating, it will be equal to 1.66 into 10 raised to the power minus 24 grams, right? But here in kg it is given. So in kgs, we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. And so it will come out to be so this value is 1.66 into 10 raised to the power minus 27 kg. But this is minus 23 kg, which is wrong. So the correct answer is A.